In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check what you owe and your available balances in the Klarna app. Let's start right from the home screen of the Klarna app. Once you open it, the first place to look is the main page. Here, you'll often see a section labeled Total You Owe. This is the quickest snapshot of your current financial obligations with Klarna. It shows the amount due now, as well as what's coming up in your installment schedule. Think of this as your to-pay amount, not spending money. If you don't see it right away, head to the payments section. There, Klarna organizes your outstanding purchases and upcoming installments, making it easy to understand what's due and when. This is especially helpful if you use Klarna for multiple purchases because it groups everything so you can plan ahead and avoid surprises. A common point of confusion is mixing up what you owe with what you have available. To check the money that's actually in your Klarna account, go to the wallet section. You'll see two key areas here. The first is your main account. This reflects your Klarna account balance, the money you've deposited or received as refunds. If you returned an item and got your money back, it will appear here. This is separate from the amount you owe, and it's the balance you can use to pay invoices or make purchases where Klarna allows it. If you want to keep your payments smooth, it's a good idea to glance at this balance before due dates so you know you're covered. Next, you might see a savings account if you use Klarna Savings. This shows your saved money and any interest you've earned. It's a separate pot, completely independent of your payment obligations. It's great for keeping funds set aside, but remember, it won't reduce what you owe unless you move money to your main balance where supported. Treat it like a dedicated savings space rather than spending money. To recap, use Total You Owe or the payment section to understand what you need to pay now and in upcoming installments. Then, visit Wallet to see what funds you actually have with Klarna. Your main account balance can be used to pay invoices or make purchases where supported, and your savings account, if you have one, is your separate savings with interest. By checking both areas, what you owe and what you have, you'll get a complete picture of your Klarna finances, stay on top of due dates, and use your balances confidently.